Business partners are a new concept in SAP S for HANA, representing the highest level data element. The business partner is the most used master data element for almost all functions in SAP S for HANA. It represents a person, an organization, or a group that has some business interest. A business partner can be a vendor and a customer at the same time. With this new concept, an organization can buy goods and services from and sell their products to the same business partner. Business partners with different roles such as vendors, customers, and so on can be created using one transaction in SAP S for HANA, which reduces master data duplicity. This figure illustrates the business partner concept. At the top of the design is the business partner in SAP S for HANA. Next comes the business partner category, which is used in a specific business process. General data, suppliers, and customers are created as business partner roles. Multiple business partner roles are grouped into one business partner group. The system displays the relevant screen based on the business partner grouping at the time of business partner creation. Business partner groupings also help differentiate between internal business partners, e.g., employees, and external business partners, e.g., suppliers and customers. An external number range or an internal number range for the business partner is determined based on the business partner grouping, while the customer and supplier number range are determined from the account group. Account groups are used to classify vendors and customers into different business partner functions. The business partner is a simplified concept that makes data management simple. Both vendor and customer roles for an external stakeholder entity and its subsidiaries can be maintained under one business partner record. The business partner concept offers the following advantages. Simplified and centralized data management can be achieved for internal and external business partners' stakeholders. One business partner can be created with multiple partner roles, such as customer, vendor, and so on. Within the customer and vendor roles, multiple vendor and customer partner functions, account groups, can be created. It allows for reduced data redundancy with the business partner concept and consolidated data approach. It results in improved external stakeholder relationships. The business partner stores parent and subsidiary companies in a hierarchical manner, which makes it easy to manage complex relationships. To learn more about SAP, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you never miss a new video.